When most people think of living organic, they think of food. Before we get started, you need to understand the meaning of organic and healthy lifestyle. It's not just about the food you eat or the skincare brand you buy. This also includes your health, well-being, your bank account, and environment. Simply, living an organic lifestyle means doing your best to live a healthy lifestyle while also doing your part to take care of the environment. Here are some of the ways we can go about doing that. Purchase organic food. Eating organic food means you are avoiding a lots of different chemicals, which is also good for our environment as well as our body. Buy locally. We can buy products from local farmers market. It reduces greenhouse gases by eliminating the need to transport food far away. Besides, it also supports local economy. Making your own meals helps us to live a completely organic lifestyle. Consider starting your own organic garden. Look for environmentally friendly cleaning products. We can choose cleaning products free from phosphates and phthalates. We can use beauty products that are made of mostly organic products. Purchase organic clothing. Purchasing second-hand clothing is a great way to reduce the impact on the environment. Driving a fuel-efficient car, looking for alternative methods of transportation. In this case, our own 2 feet offer the most organic way to get around. Walking doesn't require any special equipments and it helps us to stay healthy. Take public transport. For place we go often, we can look if there is a bus route we can use instead of driving. Thanks for watching.